Engineered with premium materials and a wealth of performance-driven next-generation technology, the G915 is the most technologically advanced mechanical gaming keyboard Logitech G has ever built.
Interested, sure. Tell me more.
With a blindingly fast 1 millisecond report rate, the G915 blows away the competition. LIGHTSPEED wireless technology delivers exceptional pro-grade wireless performance with up to 30 hours on a single charge.
Now for the fun stuff.
In addition to wireless connectivity, you can also connect the G915 to your devices via Bluetooth. Low-profile GL switches give you the speed, accuracy, and performance of a mechanical switch in a low-profile design, available in 3 modes to suit your preference: tactile, linear, and clicky.
This is fantastic.
The keys are half the height of traditional switches, with 25% faster actuation and a more ergonomic typing experience designed to reduce fatigue. With 5 dedicated G keys, you can program 3 onboard memory profiles for up to 15 different macros, all of which can be easily configured in the Logitech G Hub gaming software. It's not just the inner workings of the G915 that are impressive though, it's got world-class looks too. The sleek aluminium top case and ultra-thin design is complemented by intelligent RGB LIGHTSYNC technology that synchronizes your games and entertainment with up to 16.8 million colors. Dedicated media controls allow you to also quickly tweak the volume, play, pause, skip or mute your media.
Heard you were looking for some tech. Let's talk.
If you prefer to stay tethered, the Logitech G815 mechanical gaming keyboard offers the same features and functionality in a more traditional wired version, with the added bonus of USB pass-through.
Clear on it all, I think. Time I got to work.
To learn more about the G915 and G815 mechanical keyboards, visit logitechg.com.
The MSI Vigor GK50 Elite is a mechanical gaming keyboard that has a brushed aircraft-grade aluminum frame to offer a solid gaming experience. It comes with either Kailh Box White, Kailh Blue or Kailh Red switches. These switches are rated to last over 50 million actuations for the blue and red, and even 80 million actuations for the box switches. Both the box white and blue switches have an audible and tactile click. The box white switches also have protection from dust and moisture thanks to the box around the stem. This also tends to give the box keys a more solid feel. Red switches offer smooth, linear actuations and are lighter to press. Show your colors with the per key MSI Mystic Light functionality. The indicated hotkeys let you cycle predefined LED effects or adjust brightness and speed without installing software. Using the MSI Dragon Center software offers more detailed control and additional customization. Included in the box are a wire keycap puller and 2 additional convex keycaps that make the keys more comfortable to press down during games. For more information about the Vigor GK50 Elite mechanical gaming keyboard, please check out the product page.
A legend in customized keyboard performance has emerged, the Corsair K70 MAX RGB magnetic mechanical gaming keyboard. The entire keyboard is equipped with adjustable Corsair MGX switches, enabling you to set every key's actuation point between a super-sensitive 0.4mm and a robust 3.6mm for a completely custom gaming and typing experience. Enjoy refined gaming as you rest your hands on a cushioned palm rest with plush memory foam. Corsair Axon hyperprocessing technology registers your keystrokes up to 8x faster than standard gaming keyboards. The K70 MAX puts you in total control to forge your legacy.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.